Hi, my name is Jason Williams. I'm the engineer and product designer of Hickory Smoke from here in Chicago, Illinois. Hickory Smoke is a unique product that provides a great way to enhance the cocktails with the flavor of natural hardwood smoke. Using smoke is a popular way to bring excitement to craft cocktails while enhancing the guest experience and the flavor of their favorite beverage. Perfecting the Hickory Smoke experience is simple. Select your cube, ignite the surface, and cover the cube with your glass of choice. Once the hardwood smoke fills the glass, you're ready to prepare your cocktail. Once your cocktail is prepared, return the glass to the upright position, add ice, and pour. Garnish your cocktail and enjoy. Each cube of smoke kit comes with 4 hardwood cubes: red oak, maple, hickory, and cherry. Each cube is all natural, untreated, and sustainably harvested in North America. Red oak's rich flavor is great for whiskey cocktails like the old-fashioned. Maple smoke is balanced and adds a sweetness to cocktails and is a surprising complement to cold brew coffee. Hickory's full-bodied flavor is a perfect blend with bourbon. Neat or on the rocks, Hickory Smoke enhances and adds complexity to any cocktail. Cherry's sweet and mild flavor goes with virtually everything, but is a standout with Vermouth cocktails like the Manhattan and the Negroni. Each hardwood cube can be used to make 50 or more cocktails, and each 4-piece kit comes with a guidebook with step-by-step instructions and cocktail recipes. Make a classic cocktail or create your own, the Hickory Smoke way. Kickstarter community, we need your support to bring this project to life. I love Kickstarter. It's a great place to find new ideas and to support great new projects. I look forward to bringing this project to life and into your hands. Cheers.